We'll guide you through how to create Printify art prints. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Create New Product button. You'll be taken to the product catalog here. You'll find a wide range of products, but for art prints, go to the Home and Living section and select art prints. Now, you choose the size and type of print you want to create. After selecting, you'll be directed to the design editor. This is where the magic happens. You can upload your artwork by clicking the Add Your Design button. Make sure your design fits well within the print area and use the tools available to adjust it as needed. You might want to zoom in or out or move it around to get the perfect positioning. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save Product to proceed. Now you're on the product details page. Here you can give your art print a catchy title and write a compelling description that will attract customers. It's also a good time to set the price. Make sure to consider your profit margin when doing this. Finally, click Publish to add your art print to your shop, and there you have it. Your art print is now live and ready to be sold to art lovers everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.